So she developed a very strange forehead, and then yeah, this hole must have developed. You can see it's if you look at it, you can see the that fluid that you see coming out there is just like the fluid draining from our noses. It's you know it's nasal cavity fluid.
Like she has to have it in order to
Yeah,
stay comfortable. Because I assume if it gets dry, it gets
I
irritating.
think so, right? But it's constantly wet, and it stays like that. It's actually it's incredible.
That's fine. You can come and say hi.
Yeah, don't worry, she's very relaxed.